which Lesnar has done. You want to poop your pants immediately? 19 years ago, Lesnar won his first Rumble. Can he duplicate Lesnar? Is terrifying. Look at it. Welcome to the WWE, kid. You got fans, you got music to make. Don't you do that. Oh, no. Buddies can fly. Brock from behind, that didn't pay off. Beating the hell out of people. Did you see what? That night it was back. And McIntyre, who knocked off Lesnar. Look at the power of Lesnar. His shoulders. You see the two men remain. Who's going to win the Rumble? McIntyre up yet again. McIntyre dumped over the top rope.